Hello and welcome back. In the previous tutorial, we learned how to destroy actors using the line trace. And in this one, we are going to add an actual weapon, a pistol, which is a special edition into the 3D Glock. If you want to access this Glock model, you need to be a member of my YouTube channel. It will be available for members in the post section. There is a link you can click to download the Glock model with 4 different textures. But don't worry, you don't have to use the exact model for this tutorial. If you are not a member, that's completely fine. You can use any weapon model from any website such as Sketchfab, download them and follow along. Alright, let's get started. First, get the Glock model, and once it is downloaded, right click and select Extract All. Once it is extracted, go inside the folder. You will see different textures, a normal map, metallic roughness, and 4 different base colors. I will show you how to add them to your Unreal Engine project. Inside your project, go to the content browser, right click and create a new folder called 3D Models. Inside that folder, right click again and create another folder called Glock 3D Model. Now, open that folder and simply drag and drop all the files I provided into this area. When Unreal asks if you want to import them, click Import All. Once it is done, if you drag the model into your scene, you will see it appears. Let me move it up a bit. Perfect. If I double click on the model, you will notice there is nothing too special about it. It is a simple, stylized pistol that I created for this tutorial. Now, let's set up the material. Also, if you download any 3D model online, it usually comes with textures. So double click on the material that came with the Glock. Delete the default base color node, since we will replace it with our own texture. Open your content drawer, go to the Glock 3D model folder, and find the textures. First, grab the base color. I will grab the blue one, connect its RGB to the base color input. Then, get the normal map, connect its RGB to the normal input. Next, grab the metallic roughness, connect RGB to the metallic input and do the same thing for the roughness input. Click Save, and now you will see our special edition into the 3D Glock. If you want, you can change the color. Just double click the material again, click the base color texture and select another color. Now you have multiple versions, blue, yellow, white, whichever you prefer. Now let's add this pistol to our player. Go back to your player folder, open your player blueprint and go to the viewport tab. We'll hold the weapon on the right hand side, around eye level, just below the eye level. So click Add Component, search for Static Mesh and add it. From the Details panel, assign the Glock model to the Static Mesh. Now rotate it 180 degrees so it faces to the correct direction and move it to the right side of the camera. Perfect. You can tweak its position slightly until it looks good. Let's rename the static mesh to Glock model so we know what this is. Click Compile and Save. Let me minimize this panel so I can drag and drop my player to my viewport, and this will let us see the camera view inside the viewport and change it in this small panel. Once you are happy with the position, just compile and save, then press play to see it. You will now see the pistol in front of the camera, but it is not moving with it yet. That's an easy fix. Go back to your player blueprint, drag the Glock model and drop it under your camera in the components panel. Now, when you press play, the Glock moves with your camera perfectly. Awesome, it's now part of the player setup. Of course, we'll make it more realistic later on, but for now, this looks great. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please comment down below and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me keep creating more videos for you all. Once again, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.